Hello, all. So, today we'll start our second unit, that is babyhood and childhood. Already, we have completed our first unit. Now, we'll be starting the second unit. And the chapter that we are going to, the lesson that we are going to learn is an interesting observation. We are going to make an interesting observation about the babyhood, about the childhood, right? So, first of all, I want to ask you one question. Do you have your younger sibling? If you have, then did you ever notice how your mother used to carry your young brother or sister? If you have observed it, then you must have observed that all the mothers, normally, all the mothers, they usually carry the babies on their left side. All right. So, why this happens? Why mothers are carrying the babies on the left side only? This interesting fact we are going to discover. All right. So, let us start an interesting observation. Have you ever observed closely how a mother holds a baby in her arms or against her body? Which of her two arms does she usually use while cuddling her baby to sleep? Against which this may side, right or left of her chest, does she press the crying baby to soothe it? And why? In which side of chest do you have your heart? So already we have given answer of these questions, like the side, uh, the mother, she's carrying a baby, so left side of the chest she is carrying. And one more question, that where do you have your heart? In your chest. So answer of this question, again, towards the left side, not exactly in the left side but towards the left side. And what is the reason of carrying mother a baby towards the left side? That is we are going to see. Careful studies have disclosed that the fact that 80% of mothers cuddle the infant in their left arm, holding them against the left side of their bodies. Usually, mothers, they carry their baby, they hold the baby on the left side of the body. लेफ्ट की तरफ ही हमेशा यू विल फाइंड मदर जो है वो बेबी को कैरी करती है. One could say that it is because most people are right handed. By holding their babies in the left arm, mothers keep their dominant arm free for their normal work. But a detailed analysis shows that this is not the case. We know that our dominant hand is our right hand. हम सारे काम हमारे generally right hand से करते हैं. Forget about the left lefties. Normal जो है, they do their work with the right hand. So then one analysis was given in which it was said, because dominant arm is the right hand and we do our work with the right hand only, that is why she is holding a mother is holding a baby with the left hand arm and on the left side only, so that she can do her work with the right hand, her dominant hand. But then again one analysis was came forward, and it was shown, it was proved that this is not the case, because studies have shown that 83% of right handed mothers hold the baby on the left side, but then so do 78% of left handed mothers. In other words, only 22% of left handed mothers have their dominant hand, that is, left hand, free for normal work. Clearly, this must be some other reason. There must be some other reason why mothers prefer to hold their babies on the left side. So, again, uh, experiment was done, observation was done, and it was said that जो लेफ्ट हैंडेड मदर्स है वो भी जनरली बेबीज को लेफ्ट हैंड से ही कैरी करती है, दो देयर डोमिनेंट हैंड इज लेफ्ट हैंड। ओके, वो अपने काम जो है, अपना लेफ्ट हैंड जो है काम के लिए खुला नहीं छोड़ती है। दे डू कैरी देयर बेबीज विद द लेफ्ट हैंड ओनली। सो अगेन this is clear that there is no relation of keeping your dominant arm free for work for carrying a baby by the left hand. Okay, so then what is the reason? The only other clue comes from the fact that the heart is on the left side of mother's body. Could it be that the sound of heartbeat is the vital factor? Clue: it is the fact or a piece of evidence that helps to reveal the truth in an investigation. That means ये जो भी observation हमारा हो रहा है उसका clue, उसका जो evidence है, that thing. Vital here, heartbeat is playing a vital factor. Vital, it means of utmost importance. So it is saying that it is maybe because the heart is on the left side, और जो heartbeat है that is playing a important role for keeping a baby on the left side. Perhaps during its existence inside the body of the mother, the growing embryo become fixated on the sound of the heartbeat. This line, it means जब बेबी एम्ब्रियो की फॉर्म में होता है, वूम में होता है, मदर्स के पेट में होता है, एट दैट टाइम मदर का जो हार्ट बीट का साउंड है उससे वो फिक्सिएट होता है, अटैच हो जाता है, इमोशनली अटैच हो जाता है। एंड दैट हार्ट बीट, दैट साउंड में सूद दैट बेबी, वो अच्छा लगता है बेबी को, वो इमोशनली अटैच हो जाता है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली mothers are carrying babies on the left side. If this is so, then the rediscovery of this familiar sound after birth might calming effect on the infant, especially as it has just been trust strange and frighteningly new world outside. The mother too soon discovers unconsciously that her baby is more at peace if held on the left against her heart than on the right. So, the fact that we were talking about, it is, then we can say, when the baby exposes to the outer world, जब बाहर की दुनिया में बेबी आता है, and everything is new for the baby. So that is why उस फ्राइटनिंग वाले माहौल में या स्ट्रेंज माहौल में, फ्राइटनिंग जनरली हम कोई नई चीज़ को देखते हैं जिसके बारे में हम जानते नहीं हैं तो वी फ्राइटन, घबरा जाते हैं, राइट? स्ट्रेंज है सब कुछ। सो बेबी के लिए भी एवरीथिंग इज़ न्यू, एवरीथिंग इज़ स्ट्रेंज, everything is frightening actually. So in this condition, the baby wants to feel calm, and this heartbeat may calm that baby, right? So that is why ये भी एक रीज़न हो सकता है लेफ्ट साइड में बेबी को रखने के लिए, राइट? एंड इवन द मदर आफ्टरवर्ड शी ऑल्सो फील्स अनकॉन्शियसली, मतलब बिना जाने, या समथिंग इज देयर बिटवीन द बेबी एंड द मदर, कि मदर को पता चल जाता है या उसे पता होता है कि दैट बेबी इज गोइंग टू फील normal, calm when she'll put him or her on the left side. All right, so this is one finding for this observation. This may sound far-fetched, but tests have now revealed that it is nevertheless the true explanation. जो भी हमने अब तक बात की है, that is not the true explanation for keeping babies on the left side. Groups of newborn babies in a hospital nursery were exposed for a considerable time to the recorded sound of heartbeat. एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया गया, एक ऑब्जर्वेशन लिया गया जिसमें what they did, they kept the newborn babies in a hospital and they recorded the babies were exposed to the recorded sound of heartbeat. Babies को हार्टबीट का जो रिकॉर्डेड साउंड था वो सुनाया गया. So this sound was at standard rate of 72 beats per minute. This is the standard rate, 72 beats per minute. एक मिनट में 72 beats होते हैं, राइट. सो दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड रेट और यही स्टैंडर्ड रेट बच्चों को सुनाया गया. There were 9 babies in each group, and it was found that most of them were crying for 60% of the time when the sound was not switched on. 9 के ग्रुप में बच्चों को डिवाइड किया गया एंड ये देखा गया कि 60% बच्चे जो है 60% टाइम बच्चे जो है वो रो रहे थे. दे वर क्राइंग व्हेन द साउंड वाज नॉट स्विच्ड ऑन. जब तक वो हार्ट बीट का साउंड नहीं लगाया गया, वो प्ले नहीं किया गया, तब तक 60% बच्चे रो रहे थे. बट दिस फिगर फेल टू ओनली 38% व्हेन द हार्ट बीट रिकॉर्डिंग वॉज बींग प्लेड. इट मीन्स कि उनमें से सिर्फ 38% टाइम ही ऐसा हुआ, 38% फाइंडिंग ही ऐसी मिली कि जिसमें बच्चे चुप हो गए जब उन्होंने वो हार्ट बीट साउंड सुना. बाकी बच्चे एज इट इज रो ही रहे थे. The heartbeat group also showed a greater weight gain than the others, although the amount of food taken was the same in both cases. एंड एक और फाइंडिंग मिली, एक और ऑब्जर्वेशन लिया गया कि जो बच्चे हार्ट बीट को यू कैन से दे वर रिएक्टिंग टू द हार्ट बीट साउंड, उनमें वेट गेन भी होने लगा था. जबकि दोनों तरह के बच्चों को सेम खाना दिया गया था, अमाउंट भी सेम था. Clearly, the beatless groups were burning up a lot more energy as a result of vigorous crying, because जो बाकी बच्चे थे जो हार्टबीट की आवाज़ से भी चुप नहीं हो रहे थे, they were still crying, and because of this crying, because of this activity, more energy was burning, and because of that they were not showing any weight gain. But otherwise बाकी जो बच्चे थे वो चुप हो गए थे, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देयर वाज अ कंसिडरेबल वेट गेन इन द अदर ग्रुप. ठीक है. अनदर टेस्ट वाज डन विद द स्लाइटली ओल्डर इन्फेंट्स एट बेड टाइम. अब थोड़े बड़े बच्चों के साथ इन्फेंट, अभी तक जो फाइंडिंग्स हो रही थी वो इन्फेंट्स के साथ हो रही, न्यू बॉर्न बेबीज के साथ हो रही थी. अब थोड़े से ओल्डर बच्चों के साथ. In some groups, the room was silent. Now again, groups were formed. One group with a silent room, कोई आवाज़ नहीं वहाँ पे. In others, recorded lullabies were played, और दूसरे में जो लोरी होती है वो सुनाई जा रही थी. In other, a ticking sound was operating at a heartbeat rate of 72 beats per minute. तीसरे जो रूम में स्टैंडर्ड जो हार्टबीट है वो प्ले की गई. एंड इन अदर द हार्टबीट रिकॉर्डिंग इटसेल्फ वाज प्लेड. और एक और ग्रुप में जो प्रॉपर एक्चुअल हार्टबीट का रिकॉर्डिंग होता है उसे प्ले किया गया. इट वॉज देन चेक टू सी विच ग्रुप फेल अस्लीप मोर क्विकली. फिर चेक किया गया कि कौन सा ग्रुप जो है वो जल्दी सो जाता है. द हार्टबीट ग्रुप ड्रॉप्ड ऑफ इन हाफ द टाइम इट टुक फॉर एनी अदर ग्रुप्स, and it was found where actual heartbeat recording was played, that group was fell asleep in the half time than the other groups. जो हार्टबीट वाला जो ग्रुप था जहाँ पे एक्चुअल हार्टबीट का रिकॉर्डिंग प्ले किया गया था, वो बच्चे आधे समय में ही सो जाते थे बाकी के कंपैरिजन में. This shows clearly why mothers prefer to hold the child on the left side, and this was the fact when people understood that the reason of holding a child on the left side, because the heart is there on the left side, so the baby could fixate the heartbeat sound, emotional heartbeat sound, when it is in the womb itself. And because of that heartbeat sound, the baby feels calm and can sleep easily. It is interesting that when 466 Madonna and child paintings were analyzed for this feature, Madonna and child, it is the Virgin Mary and Jesus as a baby. Here also you can see the picture of Jesus, uh, Virgin Mary and a baby Jesus. दोनों की पिक्चर 466 पिक्चर बनाई गई थी back over several hundred years. And analyze if one analyze those paintings, then 373 of them showed the baby on the left breast, लेफ्ट साइड में ही 373 पेंटिंग्स में बच्चे को लेफ्ट साइड में ही, दैट मीन्स जीसस को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ही दिखाया गया है. Here again the figure was at 80% level. This contrasts with the observation of females carrying parcels and other things, where it was found that 50% carried them on the left and 50% on right. But if you'll just see, if uh, like बाकी सारी चीज़ें कोई भी फीमेल जो है वो बाकी सारी चीज़ें कैरी करती है, तो जो ऑब्जर्वेशन लिए गए उसमें देखा गया कि 50-50% ऑब्जर्वेशंस थे. 50% जो लेडीज़ थी, 50% फीमेल जो थी वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में कैरी करती है, जबकि 50% राइट हैंड साइड में कैरी करती है. सो देयर इज़ नो कनेक्शन ऑफ कैरिंग एनी अदर थिंग विथ कैरिंग अ बेबी ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. This heartbeat fixation also explain why we insist on locating feelings of love in the heart rather than the head. Because हमारे पैदा होने से पहले ही we start feeling those that affection of mother and a baby because of those heartbeats, and because of that only we generally feel by our heart, not by our head. It also explains why mothers rock their babies to lull them to sleep. The rocking motion is carried on at about the same speed as at heartbeat, and once again it probably reminds the infants of the rhythmic sensation and they had become so familiar with inside the womb. As the great heart of the mother pumped and thumped above them. This means that whenever mother want her baby to sleep, at that time she rocks herself in that same rhythmic motion only. आगे पीछे खुद को थोड़ा सा रोटेट करके she tries to make her baby sleep, right? So because we can connect this with same with the heartbeat rhythm. जो rhythm heartbeat का हमारा होता है, जिसे बच्चा womb में होते हुए ही feel कर सकता है, that feeling only baby gets when her mother rocks while uh, make her baby sleep. Okay. Nor does it stop there. This phenomena, it means it is the uh, thing that is observed, or especially anything which is remarkable or unusual. So this phenomena seems to stay with us right into our adult life. सेम चीज़ जो हम बच्चे जो फील करते हैं, सेम थिंग वी कैन फील व्हेन वी बिकम अडल्ट. वी रॉक विथ anguish. Anguish, it is the pain or suffering. When we suffer from something, or when we have pain, at that time we rock the same way as our mothers were making their body rock while making us sleep. We rock back and forth on our feet when we are in a state of conflict. The next time when you see a new teacher in your class or a speaker sway rhythmically from side to side, check his speed for heartbeat time. His discomfort at having to face an unfriendly audience leads to perform the most comforting movements his body can offer. He switches over to old familiar beat of the womb. Like suppose if a situation is there, आपकी क्लास में नया टीचर आपको पढ़ाने आ रहा है, सो इफ यू सी हीज और हर बॉडी मूवमेंट, देन यू विल फाइंड कि वो भी अपने फीट पे वैसे ही रॉक करता है, वैसे ही हिलता है, वैसे ही आगे पीछे खुद की बॉडी को करता है, जैसे हमारी मदर हमें सुलाने के वक्त करती थी, राइट? सो ये जो मूवमेंट है, ये जो मोशन है, इसका कनेक्शन वी कैन मेक इट विद द हार्ट बीट। जो हार्ट बीट हमें काम करते थे, शांत करके हमें सुला देते थे, या किसी भी सिचुएशन में we were able to face any situation because of these rhythmic heartbeat only. So same thing we carry when we become adult, right? और हम भी एक उसी तरह का रिदमिक खुद की बॉडी को मोशन में लाते हैं, ताकि वी कैन बिकम काम इन एनी फ्राइटनिंग सिचुएशन। Whenever you find insecurity, you are liable to find the comforting heartbeat rhythm in one kind of disgust or another. It is no accident that most folk music and dancing has a rhythm of the heartbeat. Here again, the sound and the movement take the performer back to the safe world of the womb. जब भी हम किसी इनसिक्योरिटी में रहते हैं, जब भी हमें कोई परेशानी होती है, and at that time, if you listen any music, if you watch any soothing dance performance, then you will find कि उसमें जो rhythm play होता है, that we can connect with the heartbeat, जिसे सुनकर sometimes we feel calm, right? And ये सारी जो चीज़ें हैं, ये when we are rocking ourselves in a frightening situation, or when we are in a disgust, when we are in a problem, when we are in a insecurity, at that time we listen a good music or a folk music or a folk dance, which takes us back to the world of the womb, and we feel calm, we feel secure in any kind of situation. So this is the secret, this is observation, why the mother, they keep their babies on the left side only. It is because the mother want to prepare a baby for any kind of insecure situation or a frightening situation. And because of this rhythmic rhythm of a heartbeat, a baby or a adult can connect to the that world only and can calm himself or herself.